All right, guys, today we are going to do an interactive geo board where we're going to play the game Guess Who. When you come up on your Google Classroom, it will have a link on here. You're going to click on it. You can use the small geo board or you can click and do the large geo board. It's totally up to you. Okay, guys? Sound good? All right. So then you have your rubber bands on the bottom and you are going to create a polygon. All right, now remember we've been talking about polygons, right? What have we talked about? Somebody give me a thumbs up and tell me a polygon we've talked about. Bella. A rhombus. So we could definitely create a rhombus. Give me another one, Aiden. A square. Okay, what else? Jamira? A trapezoid, sure, absolutely. We could do a trapezoid. All right, I'm going to take my rubber bands. Now, this is how we do it. We're going to take our rubber band. You have to click on the color. It doesn't matter whichever one you want to use. We're going to click on a color, and I am going to build a shape. All right, now watch. We can't give Miss Gunner any hints because she's going to try to guess it by asking me property and attribute questions. All right, so when you need another rubber band, you're going to pull it to its vertex here, and we're going to make this.
That's which is good for her. And you're great.
All right, Miss Gunner, I am ready for your questions.
Okay, question 1. Does it have any parallel lines?
No.
Does it have any right angles?
No.
Does it have 4 sides?
No.
Does it have 5 sides?
No.
Does it have 6 sides?
No.
Does it have 3 sides?
Yes.
Does it have acute angles?
It does have acute angles. And guys, remember, how can we look at this? I'm going to use my pen tool. I'm going to draw on here. Remember, I can draw right here. I would like for that to make an arc. So let me see if I can get this squiggle tool to make it an arc. Oh, I can. Look, remember we talked about that? Miss Gunner, I believe.
I think I know what it is.
You think you know my shape?
Yes, tell me if I'm right or wrong. Is it a triangle?
It is a triangle. Good job. All right, so let me show you the tools that I just used so you can use them to check. I had to check, Miss Gunner, to make sure it was an acute angle. And I know yesterday you told me about where I need to put the arc here. And I need to look at if it's a right angle, it's going to be exactly 90 degrees. We used a note card yesterday, right? You are going to partner up with someone. Oh, wait just a second. I'll partner you up. And then you're going to create any polygon. Did I just create a quadrilateral?
Yes.
Did I create a quadrilateral? No, I didn't. Now, could I go and when I want to clear it, you X off your pen tools here, guys. You'll want to pick the squiggle. When I want to clear it, I can just hit the trash can, or I can hit the refresh tool right here and it'll say clear your work. Yes. What if I want to be really tricky and I don't want to make, Miss Gunner, the standard looking shapes? All right. What if I want to make a trapezoid that looks like this? Would it be okay to say this is a trapezoid by definition? Oh. Is that a trapezoid? Yes, because we learned that a trapezoid is at least one set of parallel lines. Everybody show me with your hands where the parallel lines are. Oh, yeah, they're on the sides. Good job. They're right here. They are on the sides. So give me a thumbs up if you think you're ready to play with this geometry tool. Awesome. Awesome. So we're going to play with the geometry board.
Six
sides. No. 3 sides.
All right, after 5 guesses, you can show her, and y'all talk about what it is, okay?
5 sides. I guess 5 times.
All right, so turn it around, Jaylene, and you guys talk about what that is.
I don't know what that shape is.
Ooh, she doesn't know. Can you tell her?
It's a pentagon.
Oh, it's a pentagon. Tell her why.
It's a pentagon because it has 5 sides.
All right, your turn to make one, Macy.
You just said that. You mean you mean 2 sides? No, does that have parallel lines? Yes. Let's see. Let me.
It's one or the 2.
Does it have 4 right angles?
No.
Remember, after 5 questions, you can show her
Okay.
and talk about what shape it is in all the different.
Travis. Nope. No. Not 4. Does it have 2 right angles?
You can't see, honey. You can't see yours.
They do? Yeah.
Yes.
Mmm.
Because see, those 2 are equal.
It's a pentagon.
Oh, it's a pentagon.
Alright, now start.
Does it have all 4 sides? Does it have 5 sides?
No.
Does it have 6 sides?
No.
Okay. Does it have some? Does it have 7 sides?
Look at your attributes.
Is it quadrilateral?
Remember, we can ask all different types of attributes.
Does it have 3 sides? Does it have?
Remember your attributes? What are all kinds of attributes we could ask him?
Does it have 3 attributes?
What's an attribute? Something that describes the shape. So what is something you could ask him that would help you understand what shape he's got going on there?
Is it a quadrilateral?
Ooh, good question. Ooh, you're getting closer.
Does it have 4? Does it have 4 acute angles?
Ooh, 4 acute angles. That would be. Can we do that? What would it be if we have 4 acute? Can we do that?
You can't do that.
Okay. Antonio says no. Why, Antonio?
Because acute, you can't. It's only supposed to have 2 acute angles and 2 obtuse angles.
All right. So if we could have 3 acute if we're doing what shape? What would have 3 acute?
Triangle.
Triangle. But 4 acute sides would not create together, would it? Could you make that? It'd be very hard, right? You want to try on there?
Would it be a triangle on the top and
Okay.
then a square on the bottom?
Okay, we could make it, well, that would be still just 3 acute angles, right? But if you're thinking maybe a composite shape that we put 2 together, maybe. That would be the only way that we could have more than that many
I think I know
acute
what it is.
angles, right?
I think I know what it is.
if you're saying we could have a larger shape, but if it's a quadrilateral, it can't have 3 acute angles. But if it's larger than a quadrilateral, it definitely might could, right? But not with a quadrilateral.
I'm going to teach you about a hexagon.
We would have to see. It would not be a standard hexagon, then, would it?
His is
It would be an irregular
I think I
hexagon.
know what his is.
What do you think?
A trapezoid. No.
Oh, all right. Show him. Show him. Turn it around. You guys talk about what is it? What is that?
It is a rectangle.
Okay, tell me about a rectangle. What is everything a rectangle could be?
It could be a square. It could be.
Well, talk to me about that. What are the attributes of a square? A square has equal sides of the same length all the way around. Does that have equal sides of the same length? So is the rectangle a square? No. What else could it
You
have?
can make it a trapezoid. And then
Are you talking about the acute angles? Okay.
you can have a trapezoid,
Uh-huh.
and then you can have two little triangles and add them to the edges.
Oh, that would make 4. So it definitely need to be a composite figure though, right? It would have to add some together. So he told me that the rectangle could be quadrilateral. What else can you tell me it falls under? What other classifications?
It has four sides.
4 sides.
4 right angles.
4 right angles. What else?
And it is a parallelogram
It is a parallelogram. Why is it a parallelogram?
because it has 2 pairs of the
What are those called? Do you remember?
same length.
Parallel
Parallel
sides. Yes, 2 pairs of parallel lines. Great job, guys. Do you guys like this game?
Yeah.
You like it? On
I
here?
actually bookmarked it in
You
second grade.
bookmarked it? Awesome. All right, guys, make another shape.
Apple.